Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman at hkklawoffices.com. We are a family law firm in the state of Wisconsin. We love doing family law and we love making content like this for you. In today's video, I'm going to dive into a question from a user about getting into your home after the person has already vacated and some issues around that. But before I get into the video, I want to encourage you to like our channel, subscribe to it, and leave some comments here. Okay, so here's the question from the user. I'll read it and then we'll tackle it here. Question is it illegal for someone to try to push their way into your apartment even if they left stuff behind and they don't live with you? All right, so I'm not going to be able to give an ultimate answer in here. Number one, go talk to an attorney about your situation to get really clear on it. Rules are different, laws are different in each state, and you need to be clear on that, number one. And number two, engage a lawyer, hire an attorney. If they're going to dig in and give you specific advice that you want to rely on, you need to have an attorney-client relationship with an attorney. So if I zoom out here generally and talk about this user is coming in and essentially saying, hey, look, I have an apartment, so I take from that this person is on the lease, right? And there's a person that I invited into my apartment, and this person left possessions behind. This person does not live here, and now this person either wishes to come into my apartment or has so already. Is that appropriate or not? Is that illegal is really the question. Ultimately, what you have to know is, what does your lease say? Who is on your lease? Are you on the lease? What does your lease say about who can come in or not in your state? Most leases give you the quiet use and enjoyment of your lease, and you can choose to invite people into your home or not, okay? And what to do with the personal property left behind is a little bit of a different issue, okay? That you really would need to talk to. How do I get rid of this stuff? Do I have the right to sell it, transfer it, chuck it, throw it away? Can I leave it behind in this apartment when I leave? Do I have to give it back? Do I have to let somebody come back in? So talk to an attorney about the personal property and what that means now that it's there. Is it your right to decide what to do with it, or do you have to give it up, and how do you exchange it? That's the best answer that I can give to you today to that user. There are a lot of situations where people get confused though, spouses, and do they have a right to enter or not? And that's going to be oftentimes dictated by the lease, perhaps the deed, and any temporary orders or final orders that exist in your family law case. You also have to consider if there's any restraining orders in place, or potentially if there's any criminal bonds in place that prohibit this. So there's a lot of things that an attorney would have to sit down and sort out with you to go through, okay? So those are the questions, guys. Bring those to an attorney, get really clear on your situation, and get that advice from an attorney that you can work with. Feel free to contact us. All right, guys, I hope you found some value in this video. We'll see you another time. Thanks.